friend, my name is Mohammed Irfan and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about quadratic equation and its factorization. Quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we understand a quadratic equation factorization. This is quadratic equation. We understand its factorization. Understand this quadratic equation and its factorization. Factorize this equation. We choose two numbers which multiplication is equal to 10 and which addition is equal to 7. So these two numbers are 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2. So we factorize this as x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. So now we factorize this. So we take combine from this part is x and take combine of this part is 2. X combine x minus 5 minus 2 combine x minus 5 is equal to 0. So factorize of this equation is x minus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 5. So these 2 points is 2 and